So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. But one second, something is missing here. So on my count of 3, 2, 1, and here I am with full of shopping. Ye minute shopping in the but one second, someone is missing here. So on a count of 3, 2, you're here.
Yes.
So yeah, here he is and let's start the vlog. ये जो vlog है मैं 10-12 days हो गया है बॉक्सिंग डे को खत्म होके and हमने अभी तक you can see सारे bags as it is intact है. हमने खोल के देखा भी नहीं है कि what we purchased during the boxing day. So here are we with the vlog and I will going to show you that how much we spent during boxing day.
Yep.
So let's go, let's dive into the video and let's start. Are you ready?
Yep.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's show everyone what we
Yep.
purchased. So let's dive into the vlog.
मेरा favorite brand.
Okay, let's start from him.
Yep.
हमने क्या इसने क्या लिया? So this is the one bag, his favorite.
My favorite.
Yeah.
So, इसमें
What do you?
I purchased a hoodie because I'm a fan of hoodies, and this is the Under Armour hoodie that I bought for me. And see, it's so good, nice, comfortable है, काफी gym wear या outside you can wear it.
Yeah, and this we got it at like how much?
what-
24?
Yeah.
$24.
That's the price.
With this.
Yeah. $24.
$24 with discount. So one
Plus-
thing,
Yeah.
yeah.
Plus they gave us a free gift.
Yeah, free gift. There's a monkey cap.
Yeah.
So yes, मतलब Boxing Day में last time
Yes.
we got the bag and this time we got this monkey cap.
Yeah, what is it? It's called
Yeah, it's a monkey cap.
balaclava.
Yeah, okay, it's kind of monkey cap. And ये इसने किया है brown color. I love this. I love this color. My favorite color. Okay.
I was taking white, but she said, okay, take
Yeah,
this.
let's take this.
I'm also wearing an Under Armour right now, so you can see. It's my favorite.
Obsession, obsessed with Under Armour, and he has made me this because मैंने भी देखो Under Armour ही पहना नीचे. It's really nice. So the next purchase we did from Tommy, and वहाँ पे I got really great discount. See, अभी तक मैंने bill भी निकाला. You can see bill भी निकाला नहीं है.
Yep.
And sorry for that. And this two top, ये दो top हमको आए हैं $32 में. And I'll show you. I will not open this,
Yeah.
but मैं ऐसे दिखा देती हूँ. ये ऐसा है.
Same
It's
pattern
nice.
में.
Yeah. It's nice. It's same pattern में but different
Colors.
colors. So I'm not going to show
So
this.
she loves Tommy.
Yeah,
I love
I
Under Armour.
Yes, it's really nice. So my next purchase जो हम लोगों ने किया था वो American Eagle से किया था. We got this jeans for him. ये वाला jeans लिया था हम लोगों ने. And this is 70% discount पे हमको ये मिला था. This costed around how much?
I have to check that, but this is a good jeans.
Yeah,
American Eagle.
it's a really nice. It's better than Levi's, I must
Yes.
say. बहुत अच्छा
So
jeans
this
है.
one was
And-
around. What was it? This was around 33.
$33 में.
For the jeans.
So and इसका original price is, I'll tell you, is इसमें 70% discount है. It's $100 something.
Yeah.
And I got this top. I really liked it. It's really
Open it.
nice. And ये भी मुझे 70% discount में. So I wear this.
So it's ulta.
Is Ulta. I wear this during New Year, so it's kept it like that. Sorry about that. So ये ऐसा दिखता है.
Yeah. This was a deal, like.
Yeah, this was a deal. I got this from 70% discount. This is $16 or something. So we got this in deal. So the next bag and the biggest bag.
Yeah. This from Gap.
ये वाला बैग गैप से शॉपिंग किया था एंड ट्रस्ट मी गाइस गैप में फॉर मेंस they have lots of deals but for the women's section they don't have it. I don't know for what reason. So जो गैप सबसे ज़्यादा शॉपिंग इसने की है. So he will going to show what he bought.
So this is.
Don't open it.
Yeah, I don't open. This is a trouser that we
See,
got in.
deal. So
It's a
we
deal
got it
order.
is $40
Yeah.
and plus additional $40 plus additional 50% discount.
This was around $18.
Yes, $18.
$18. And yeah, this one I like. I like this the most. This is a Gap hoodie. Again,
This is-
$4 plus 70%. Same $18.
I will show how much it costed.
So yeah.
And
This is a pant again from Gap. I will not open it. Same price but different color.
Yeah.
Same, different pattern as well. $18. So and yeah, this is her favorite color. So this is yours, I believe.
This is mine.
This is
This
yours.
is mine.
So
This
this
is also
again.
70%.
This was for $60, but then 70%. So this was around what? 30?
Yeah.
30 or something. 25.
Yeah. It's more.
So the total bill was around, with taxes, it was around 75.
85. 85 or 75, something like around.
We got
So this is the major
yeah.
early shop
Yeah.
item, and this is, see how huge, कितना बड़ा है ये, and this is from the brand called UGG,
Ugh.
and
ये इसको हमेशा से चाहिए था. And
I cannot, yeah,
right?
it's really big, it's really huge,
Shoes.
and see अभी तो मैंने इसको पहना भी नहीं, and I'll show you how it looks. See, it's bigger than my face. So this is a boot हम लोगों ने लिया था, and
Very nice shoes.
I'll tell you guys, I got this in steal deal.
Yeah.
And if someone is wearing UGG and they must be knowing, it is one of the expensive brand. Expensive नहीं बोल सकते, लेकिन या बहुत pricey है उसका, मतलब like आप उसका अगर एक normal shoes भी ले जाओगे, it's really really expensive. It is no less than $200 in discount.
Yes.
But the great thing is I got this in a great deal. So मेरे को ये बहुत फर्स्ट इंस्टेंट मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा था, फिर लाइक आई हैव टू गेट दिस एंड इन बॉक्सिंग डे. सो ये मुझे मैंने लिया है अराउंड $100 और 120.
113 with
ओके 130 विद टैक्सेस, एंड इस पे आई गॉट 70%.
70% discount.
या अब आप उस पे यू कैलकुलेट कि ये जो शूज है वो उसका प्राइस क्या है, द ओरिजिनल प्राइस ऑफ द शूज. यू कैलकुलेट एंड जस्ट कमेंट मी इन माय comment section and tell me what is the price of this shoes. I will not reveal it, but yeah, just calculate the 70% with the rest of amount and you will get to know that how much this shoes is. And see, this is UGG. बहुत अच्छा है ये brand. It's an American brand.
I need to check.
Yeah, it's American brand, but yeah, I really liked it. I really wanted UGG from so many years. Like मेरे को बहुत टाइम से चाहिए था कि मैं ये वाला मतलब ये brand का shoes लूँ. So I got the hands on it and it is the best deal. Steal deal बोल सकते हैं इसको, पूरे shopping का Boxing Day पे this one is this investment is a steal deal. So yeah, this is my favorite. I'm not wearing it. I'm gonna wear it now.
Okay.
So guys, that's it for today, and this is what we have purchased in our during Boxing Day, and हमने ज़्यादा कुछ मतलब खर्चा नहीं किया. We were very limited and we don't want to spend so much because we realize हमको ये चीज़ realize we last year we really spent lot of money, like around $1,000 हमने कुछ खर्चा किया था. But this time we were very mindful because it's not only the Boxing Day पे ही आपको सारी deals मिलती है, पूरे साल पूरे year में if you go to the outlets and other outlets, like not only the Toronto but the other outlets in Vaughan and Niagara, वहाँ पे भी deals रहती है हर साल में कुछ ना कुछ there is a deal. And we have realized that Boxing Day में is nothing, it's just an hype. People go at 6 o'clock. हमने भी try किया, but next year we were not doing that. We will order it online. It will come because online में भी आपको उतना ही मिलता है. And even I'll tell you guys, it's not only that on Boxing Day ही आपको वो deal मिलेगा. Yes, next day भी वो deal रहती है. And because it's a festive season and everyone is on holiday, so yes, definitely. So this time from next year, like hopefully from this year, we will not be getting up and going during so much of snow. इतनी ठंडी रहती है ना guys, and सबसे ज़्यादा hype is Lululemon and Nike.
Oh.
I don't know for what reason Nike has huge line. पता नहीं क्या deal उसके अंदर है. I would rather pay $10 to $20 extra rather than standing in such harsh weather, because उस time पे if you've seen my vlogs, I will post it somewhere here in the link. आप उस टाइम में देखना कि वहाँ पे हम लोग भी Lululemon में खड़े थे, but बहुत स्नो हो रही थी, बहुत टेरिफिक स्नो हो रही थी, एंड उस दिन पूरा स्नो स्टॉर्म था. सो या that's it for today. And ये हम लोग ने इतना शॉपिंग किया, we spent it around $300. Yes, $300. And we were very like हमने डिसाइड किया था कि हम बहुत mindful shopping करेंगे. It's not that we will take some like कुछ भी, but yeah, mindful shopping करेंगे. But whatever we invested, whatever shop, we are happy with that. And yes, इतना हमारा shopping हुआ. And please do like and comment and share and do subscribe to the channel. I will meet you in the next one. Till then, bye.
Ciao.